Hey Maya, have you thought about your career plans lately?
Hey, Jason. Yes, I have. I'm planning to become a graphic designer.
That's awesome. Do you want to work for a company or freelance?
At first, I want to work at a company to learn more. Later, I'd love to be a freelancer and work from home or anywhere.
Sounds like a good plan. Are you studying design now?
Yes, I'm taking online classes and working on my portfolio. What about you? What are your career goals?
I want to be a software developer. I'm really into coding and creating apps.
That's so cool. Are you learning any programming languages?
Yeah, I'm learning Python and JavaScript. I'm also doing small projects to practice.
That's the best way to improve. Do you want to work in a tech company?
Yes, maybe a startup. I like fast-paced environments and working in teams.
That makes sense. Do you have a dream company?
Not really, but I'd love to work somewhere like Google or Microsoft one day.
Big dreams. I like that. I think you can do it.
Thanks, and I believe you'll be a great designer too. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Hopefully working on cool projects, maybe traveling while I work. I want to grow my skills and build a strong personal brand.
I like that. I also want to keep learning, maybe even teach coding in the future.
Teaching is a great goal. Sharing knowledge helps others and keeps you sharp.
That's true. What do you think is the most important thing for career success?
I'd say keep learning, stay motivated, and build good connections. What about you?
Same here. And also, don't be afraid to take risks and try new things.
Agreed. Let's keep working on our goals and support each other.
Deal. I'm excited to see where we both end up.